everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to build on what we learned in the previous video by diving into HTML elements and attributes. These are fundamental concepts that you'll use in every web page you create. First, let's talk about HTML elements and tags. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. For example, less than p greater than this is a paragraph. Less than p greater than is a paragraph element with an opening p tag, some text content, and a closing less than p greater than tag. Some tags are self-closing, like the ing tag. Next, we have block level and inline elements. Block level elements, like div, h1, and p, take up the full width available and start on a new line. Inline elements, like span and only take up as much width as necessary and do not start on a new line. Let's look at some common HTML tags. Each of these tags has a specific purpose and helps structure the content on your web page. Now, let's introduce HTML attributes. Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. They are always included in the opening tag. For example, the id attribute is used to uniquely identify an element, and the class attribute is used to classify elements. Let's see some practical examples of using elements and attributes. In this example, we've added an id attribute to our h1 tag and a class attribute to our p tag. The style attribute is used to change the color of the text in the span element.
You've been shot at, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're on my mind. Painted. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight, baby, cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heartbeat to save it, cause your love's underrated. Your love's underrated. Deep in my heart I know you're irreplaceable. Together unstoppable. And I feel your frequency, feel your love around me. I'm drowning in my mind, don't wanna let you down. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible.